Good morning, team. Good morning, Neha, Konalra, Prem, Priyanka.
Good, good
Once,
morning.
yeah. The same link will work for entire week, guys. So maybe 25th we can take an off. Okay. Tomorrow we have a session.
Okay.
So anyone have a questions, anything before going to actual class? You can shoot me any questions you have, career related, jobs related, opportunities related, new year market related, anything if you have any questions.
Good morning, Mahesh.
Yeah, hi Sunita, tell me.
Regarding to placement cell, so after completing this course, we have to join or during the course we
You
have
can
to
join
join?
today also, but the scenario will be like you are able to handle an interview if you got any call. So the technically the placements will start from the day one you enroll for the course. It's not main like after course completion, but the levels will be different. Example, from the day one onwards, we will suggest you to focus on LinkedIn in the initial days, not to apply
Okay.
directly for the interviews, right? Reason you just started the course, you are not aware about Power Automate, Power Apps, or Copilot, but you are trying for interviews. Maybe it's difficult to, it's not possible to clear an interview, but still we are making the foundation initially. Example, today Indra is going to be handle a session on Power Apps. Try to write a similar kind of article in your LinkedIn,
Okay.
right? This will help you to after 4 months. If anyone sees like your profile, right? It
Yes,
looks
yes.
like in a Pakka Power Platform developer's profile.
Correct.
Right, so that's we are going to be start from the day one, and after that we can start one by one, like applying for the interviews and preparing for the interviews, and we have a mock interview tool as well. So all those things we are going to be do one by one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one more thing is, I think it's in 4 p.m. IST. So for us, for US
No,
students,
we
it will
have a
be
three different time zones, ma'am, like Monday at 11 o'clock, Wednesday at 4 o'clock, and Friday at 7 p.m. You can join any of that sessions.
okay. Where we can get those?
You will get links in our group once you join, right? Our regular WhatsApp groups will be there you can get.
Okay.
And apart from that, we are even Indra, could you please give me the sharing option?
I'm enabling you
Yeah,
now.
Yeah, enabled.
yeah, great. Guys, let me know once you are able to see my screen. So we are going to be help you with making these kind of portfolios as well. Your name, your designation here you will get as a platform developer, your GitHub link, your LinkedIn link, your resume, and your self intro, and your skills what you have, and also one at least a 2 to 3 projects with your explanation. Similar like this girl, you have to be explain the project.
Hi everyone, I am Neema.
So because of this, right, like to make this video, at least you also will take 4 or 5 attempts, right? These 4 or 5 attempts, what happening in your entire resume, you will get in a by hearting. You no need to be worried in an actual interview. Along with this, we are developing this tool. This tool also will help you to do practice all real-time case studies and scenarios. I will show you once. Even we have a complete interview, and even we have a topic wise also. Sunita ma'am, which domain you are working currently?
No, I'm not working.
Okay. Any technically which domain you are strong or like a little bit knowledge or something? Any
Microsoft Dynamics. Microsoft
Dynamics
Dynamics.
365.
Yes.
Okay. I can say 0 to 2 years fresher experience only.
Yes.
And any subtopic in that ma'am?
So what subtopic means? CRM application.
Sorry?
CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM.
ERM. Okay. Let's see. Difficulty level easy. Okay. I'm giving very layman term. So depends on your technology, you may go in a deep level also. It's only for the practice of individual topics. We have a interview also directly with the resume and JD. I will go as show you that also. I stop the camera. If
A
my
small
camera is
business,
on, right, it will take
Local
you.
Greens, wants to use Dynamics 365 CRM to manage their customer interactions. They want to track
know
customer
about this
orders
answer,
and
ma'am?
any issues reported. They have identified
Not exactly.
entities, customer and
I
order.
just learning this
How would you
CRM
link the
application
customer and order
along with
entity
the
in Dynamics
PowerPoint.
365 to represent that a customer can place multiple orders? What type of relationship would you create, and why is that relationship the most suitable in this scenario?
Okay. But you have any idea about this question? So no need to be answered, just to have any idea. You just take some time and you can read and let me know.
Okay.
So you can think on it. I will just try to give an answer. Okay. So even we can use a camera if you want, but camera also will record your entire conversation and video how you are answering. It will help you to self-evaluation. Let me answer now. Example. So you would create a one-to-many relationship between customer and order in Dynamic 365. So example, how in the sense, customer is a parent entity and order will be the child entity. And you look to the field in order entity that reference customers. Here, why it will be the more suitable means one customer can place multiple orders, right? So, but each order belongs to the one customer. You got the difference, right? Same customer can place multiple orders, but order will be have a different customers every order. From one order point of view, that customer might be the different, or else the same also, but order number will get a different one. It's supposed to easy reporting. It will be easy for us to reporting wise very easily. It maintains proper data integrity and ownership. This is the standard and recommended CRM data model for customers and transactions. So I given that answer. I'm not technically that strong in 360. I have just a basic idea. So I just try to give the understand this question because of it's easy. So once I stops recording, I'm just submitting. It's a
Tell
shooting
me
a
about
second
the
question.
time you had to learn a new software or technology quickly. What steps did you take to understand it, and how did you overcome any challenges you faced in the learning process? Imagine it was related to learning the basics of Dynamics 365 CRM.
You have any idea? Just no need to be. It's a proper question only.
Yes.
Okay. So you have any idea? Just let me know. I will try to answer, or else we can even type also.
No, you can give answer.
Okay. Okay. So when I want to learn a Dynamic 365 kind of tools, I will start with the learning very basic entity. It's not for this course, any, right? And after that, we will use the entities, relationships, and forms, and use a sandbox environment to practice real-time scenarios, which helped me to quickly overcome challenges and understand how the system will work in real time. So similar way, it will get 10 questions, but I'm after 2 questions, I will submit this one. Okay. Or else we'll try one more question which is giving wrong answer, or else I will say no, I don't know this answer. Both will try. How it will give the feedback, you can able to understand here.
In Dynamics 365 CRM,
Sorry, I am not much aware about this. I'm still learning, so I need some more time to practice this. I'm submitting.
In Dynamics
You can
365
able to download
CRM,
your video as
what is
well,
the purpose of a view?
and you can view the report. If you click here, it will directly download video into your system, and you can verify how you are responded in front of camera. So it will be help you to self-evaluation later, and you can see the report here. Okay, the question, the answer, and the feedback. Error evaluating answer is invalid control. It's not giving the proper answer. It's saying, right? So see this. It's giving a little bit of good score, 65. So under feedback, you can see the candidate touches the some relevant points, but not the full answer. I just given a random. I'm not that much technically strong in Dynamic 365, right? So you can see the last one. It will give the completely he was not aware that answer, and my evaluation is 0. The feedback will be the candidate indicates complete lack of knowledge regarding the core concepts of a lead and opportunity with the Dynamic 365 CRM. That depends a fundamental gap in the understanding. So similar way, it will give the each question, it will give then a feedback to you. So where we can able to focus more, and it will give the actual answer as well. So imagine if you are practicing these 10 times, why you can't clear any interview, man?
Yes, sir.
Right?
It will.
And another good thing is this dashboard we are going to be provide to the recruiters. So recruiters, they are try to pick your profiles from here. Now you can see in either LinkedIn or Naukri, they can't see the entire portfolio of a student, a candidate, right? So that's the reason even some companies are suffering to find a right candidate for them. So now we are giving these profiles to the people, so who are able to want to hire. At that time, it will help them. You can do practice here multiple times. The best one it will pick and it will show to them multiple times at time, and it will get the better opportunities. Right? Any questions here? And this portfolio also will help you to reach more people, and it will give the confidence as well. These two things we are doing additionally. And the placement cell every day, it will conduct every alternate day. And I won't believe one of year ends or something. Even December have opportunities. As of now, I remember around 12 people got opportunities. Even yesterday, day before yesterday, also I got a call from 2 people regarding their they have opportunities too from the 2 companies, but which one they have to pick, these kind of doubts they have. I guess Naveen or Kiran yesterday he called me. Okay.
So you
So November
suggest
and
to
December
join
also we have good opportunities. Nitin. No need to be worry about we need to be wait only for the January or something, and year ends, weekends, that is nothing. Calls will be there 24/7. Only ups and downs might be there, but you no need to be worry about when it's down or something. Why we are not getting calls? It's a completely my responsibility if you are not getting call. If you're not clearing, it's a responsibility on both of us. I need to understand that concept is covered in our course curriculum or not. If not, it's my responsibility. It's covered, but you are not able to answer. It's your responsibility to do more practice. Getting in a call, it's a completely my responsibility. I will take care. Here, any questions?
Hi, this is Monish.
Yeah, hi Manish.
Yeah, this
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear you. Hello. Manish? Seems your mic was not active. You can text me if not able to unmute yourself.
hello.
Yeah, now it's audible. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, this course is of Snowflake developer or
It's a for
what
Power
exactly?
Platform, sir. It is.
Sorry?
Snowflake course is already done the 5 classes. It's for Power Platform.
Power?
Power Platform, sir.
No. Okay, okay. Oh, these.
Snowflake is already done with the 5 sessions. You can connect with our team to join the regular course, sir.
Oh, so this is like these Power Platforms means like added advantage for the professional or
Different, sir. It's a different course, sir.
No. See, I have 18 years of experience in Oracle PLSQL with EBS production support. Now I'm looking for the job change, and also.
So for this, I need to know your package. If you don't mind, can I know like it's a more than 20 or less than 20, sir?
Less than 20.
Less than 20, around 15 lakhs.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, then it's fine. You can learn, sir. Reason every technology have a saturation point in package terms. Power platform after 30 it will be difficult.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
data engineers, with those people can able to get more than 30, 40, 50 also. So power platform up to 30, there is no issue. After 30, you will be the highest paid person in the team. So there is likely chances more pressure on you, or else like you need to be take more challenges
Okay.
in the
So,
career ladder.
I'm not okay. Leave about the package. That is fine. I understand. Okay. Apart from this package, like what is the prerequisite to learn this?
Nothing, sir. We will teach from any course here is completely scratch. We thought you just completed your graduation and sit in my class.
Okay. No. What exactly it will be there? Any coding will be there, or it is non-coding
The
or
power
semi-coding?
platform motto will be no coding, low coding.
Okay. Programming knowledge it needs, right? Because I work more in the functional and incident management, change management, problem management, and Oracle Business Suite SCM. So whether I am suitable or
You
not,
can
that
able to understand these concepts easily, sir. It's a Power Apps application also because you have some kind of similar background, but it's in Oracle apps, I guess, right?
Oracle app, CBS, SCM,
Yes.
supply chain
Yeah, you
management.
can able to understand these core concepts easily.
These are all the added advantage for our base base technology or this thing, or this is only for the people are looking for the only these power platforms means recruiters.
So recruiters' point of view, they need who can work on Power Platform. Their background, it's a depends, sir. Example, any project they have a migrating from the Oracle to the Power Platform, it may help you in that time.
Okay. But once again, my question is, I am working in some other things, okay, XYZ platform, okay, that is engineering or something like that,
Yes,
mechanical
sir.
or something like that. Now I am doing this platform course, okay. So does it help me? I mean, it's like, does it
Yes.
only on this
So
course?
if your intention to change your domain and to get into the decent job, yes, it will help you. So I worked in a pharma company, Monish, as a production chemist. Later, I thought to move to IT.
Okay.
I felt my background is a backdrop for me. Maybe I won't get it selected easily for the companies. The good thing later I selected for the multiple companies, which is a pharmaceutical background. They thought I have a domain knowledge and I have technical knowledge.
Okay, that later it will take in that sweep. Means like
It's become as an added advantage. I got after that a couple of companies and I'm getting easily selected for the pharmaceutical background companies. The domain point of view, I'm saying that's become an added advantage as well. Your core subject.
am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Monish.
Okay, what is the course fees and duration?
Duration it comes around 4 months, sir, and the course fees will be it's a 30,000. You can able to pay in 2 installments. If it's a one go, it's a 27,000 you can pay. And you will get a Power Platform license as well, like Monish at ksr.com, Alam Khan at ksr.com, Dinesh at ksr.com. Similar way, you will get a domain email ID to practice real-time case studies and scenarios. The Power Apps, Power Automate license you will get from Microsoft.
Is it basically situated in Hyderabad or Bangalore?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore, where it is?
It's in Marathalli.
Okay, is it classroom
It's
training
an
or
online classes, sir.
online?
Yeah.
Daily 1 hour, huh?
1.5 hour, 8 to 9:30.
1.5 hour, 4 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, thanks. I might query.
Sure. You can call our team. They can guide you now further. And the same link you can use for next 3 classes also. Today will be the second session. 3 more free sessions will be there. You can use the same link to join the next class.
So now you are starting the course itself.
Yes.
Not demo.
No. I can say it's in a 5 to 5 classes. We don't want to charge anything. Just people need to understand how the way of our teaching style and if they are comfortable, they can continue.
No, free is that is fine, free or chargeable. I am asking, is it the actual course or only demo?
That's what, Monish. People think like when it's a free, it's just a demo. Right?
But it is actual class.
It's not just a demo. It's a regular class only, sir. That's what I thought to explain you. It's not just demo. First 5 classes, we are not charging.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Because of free, people thought it's not useful, but sorry for that, but it's useful only. It's a regular concept. There is no repeating again. Day 1 yesterday is done. Today is day 2, tomorrow day 3, and day 4, day 5.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Any other questions, team? Maybe I will take 3 more minutes. By 8:25, you can start your session, Indra.
Yes, Mahesh. I have a quick
Yes,
question.
ma'am. Yes, yes.
So, earlier to Sunita, you mentioned that writing an article on LinkedIn is helpful.
Yes.
So, what kind of articles will you suggest will
Example,
be
what the topic yesterday is done by Indra? Did you join
Power
yesterday's?
Platform? Yeah, Power
Yeah.
Platform.
Yesterday
So
was
he
introduction.
explained about maybe what is the Power Platform, what will be the future opportunities, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, you can keep it in your chat GPT and mention like I want to write an article and what is the Power Platform, how the future and why it's becoming more demand in the future. Take the topic only and make it your own words. What Indra is given some key points, keep all these things and try to write an article by taking help from the chat GPT or Gemini AI or something, whatever it may be. For yesterday's. Today he may be explaining about how to create your first application. Write an application,
Okay. Yeah.
right? So day after tomorrow he may be explaining how to integrate Power BI with the Power Apps. So yeah, make it that article only.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
You got it right.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Exactly. So day by every day, like if not possible every day, at least a weekly 2 to 3 posts. Monthly, an average 10 posts. By 4 months, you will get at least 40 posts in your portfolio. If anyone opens Sunita's ID, they can see all Power Apps or Power Platform related posts.
Oh, okay. So,
You can
like,
see simple, ma'am, like we can able to judge a person by looking at their Facebook or YouTube, sorry, Instagram profile, right? What kind of a person he might be.
yeah.
Example, he was posting keep on any travel related, we thought he may be liking traveling. If he was posting any cooking related, we thought he was interested in cooking, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Now Sunita is posting Power Platform related post. So if any recruiter looking at your LinkedIn, yes, they will get to know she was a strong in Power Platform.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, sir.
I'm Retier here.
Yeah,
I am a 65 years old man.
sir.
I request everybody to close their ears because I'm going to ask a question. Don't laugh at me.
No, sir. No, I have my neighborhood one guy. His name Kupuraman. He's started his first IT job in 1989, which I born here. So he was still working and he was handling different projects. When I thought it's a new topic, he said I am already working on his project.
Okay,
Now
I
he
will.
was working on quantum computing and he said like, one more topic. Even I am not aware about that. Only my trainers knows the topic. He said like some new concept. It's still not yet marketed.
Yeah, but I'm very old man, 65 years old. Okay. Okay, I working as a sales and marketing, electronics sales and marketing
Sir.
in Bangalore.
Mhm.
Okay. I learned Power BI and Tableau.
Okay, great.
I want to make use of this opportunities from the KSR. How to make use of this in a real?
Power Platform you are asking, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Example, you are working in a marketing side, right? If
I
possible,
worked as a general manager, sales and marketing,
sales and marketing. I'm not sure
electronics.
which product you worked as a sales and marketing. Example, I will take it as a milk packets. You are into the sales side for, you are staying in which area, sir? Bangalore or?
Yeah, Bangalore.
You're from Bangalore. Okay, take it like our regular milk from the multiple milk packets are there, right? Nandini. So you are a sales manager for Nandini milk packets. I'm thinking example, answer.
Ah,
So, but you are distributing to the multiple dealers of the suppliers, the milk suppliers.
definitely, thousands of people are in contact with me.
Exactly. Now we will create an application. We are giving the option for those people how many supplies they need, how many packets they need on daily basis, and all these are we are integrating with the Power BI also for the reporting. Example, you have 100 dealers in a Bangalore area. Out of that, every dealer how much milks they are selling per day, what kind of milk they need. And after that, this integrating with the Power BI by just a single click by 10 o'clock, you will get to know from morning 6 to 10 o'clock how many milk packets sold from your company. And out of that, which vendor is got the best sales.
Yeah, you are right, sir.
We can able to do this kind of sir from the marketing team also.
Yeah, thanks for your advice, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very useful to me. That's what I'm going into deep of the
Yes. We
Tableau,
will go
Power
into the
BI,
step
and
by
the
step.
Power App, so that I can go into depth and I can
Yes.
contact. I have
Sure, sir.
thousands of customers are in my hand. I know many, I mean,
Yeah,
high
yeah.
level.
Sir, we helped for Ramraj Cartons, you know, right? Here, another company is there called Hero Fashions. They are suppliers for the only child's clothes for the Europe. They need some support for the Power Apps point of view, and we did some kind of the POC level. We understand little basics, and they hired an individual internal person, and we helped initially for them.
Okay.
Similar kind of. They also have vendors in UK, sorry, the Europe countries, and they will give the supply orders count or something, and they immediately have to be updated here. And depends on that, they will start working on the new orders.
Okay. May I have your contact number and name, please, if you don't mind?
Mahesh, this is, and you can take my number in the chart, sir. It's 991696.
1 second. 99
991696
16
96.
96, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
1234.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mahesh, is it?
Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir,
So
1
Mahesh,
minute.
one last-
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, please. Sir, Bettigar sir, can I have your number, please?
Yeah, please write down.
Yeah.
94486
94486.
70
Okay.
782.
782. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Your name, please?
His name Monish, sir.
Maunesh. Okay, thanks a lot. Maunesh.
My name is Manish. I will contact you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other questions, team? So we can go to
Mahesh, one quick
Yes.
question. Just
Yes, ma'am.
so in the you suggest in the placement cell sessions we can we can
Yes.
join from the beginning onwards or like
That's what
after
you
some
can join beginning onwards also. You can understand like how others have problems that will help you to understand how to survive from those kind of issues. Example, yesterday I got a call from one person by he got an overlap in his PF for 18 to 20 days. He didn't did it so wantedly. His company said like we are going to be shut down your company. You can look for some job. Luckily, he got job immediately and he joined there. But that month also the old company paid him. So that looks like in the same month he got two salaries. So the new company is asking like they are questioning about his concerns in here, right?
Yes.
So
Okay, so-
everything like these kind of issues I explained. So it's not you did by wantedly. So you can write an email to your old company if still existing, anyone able to respond, show that proof to the new company. So they can able to understand. Luckily, he had an email. You can look for a job anywhere, like because we are not able to survive for the long run due to the project issue, something. So that email he shown as a proof, and that the new company accepted his explanation. If not, it will looks like in a dual employment, moonlighting, blah blah, and all. He may lose job. Those kind of things also we are going to be explained there.
Okay.
Another guy got two offers. One is from Capgemini, another from something PwC. I guess which company I want to choose. I said directly PwC. But again, there is a problem. He said I can able to join within 45 days, but his notice period is 3 months. I said initially try to convince for 2 months. Let get the offer letter. Try to convince in your current company. If they are not accepting, just on 45th day or 50th day, just try to convince PwC people need 15 more days time. In the last minute, they also can't say no. Right? These kind of things we will try to explore there. Some people say like Mahesh, I'm not at all even getting a call. I will check their profile, their Naukri, their LinkedIn, their resume. We'll get surely some inputs where they are lacking. Some people say like I'm getting calls, but no one is scheduling. So if I'm able to hear the record of conversation between him and that recruiter, I will get to know what exactly problem there. One incident I will tell you the same concern. So when I'm hearing the record, he was saying I'm looking for Hyderabad location when HR is calling from Bangalore. So she won't schedule the call, right?
Correct.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you, Mahesh.
So all those things we are going to be discussed in our regular placement cell session.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. And apart from that, our alumni is there. Like if any of our students, if you guys also, if you have any openings in your company, you can let me know. I will pick the good profiles which don't have any issue with their documentation. I will push to you. So even you will get some referral bonus. Similar way, our old people already doing old old students. If any openings in their company, we will get to know. We are referring the picked candidates. if there is no documentation issue or something. If documentation is there any issue, we will find those kind of companies. Example, TCS, Tech Mahindra, LTI, these kind of documentation is very strict, so we can't take risk, right? So we'll take only clean profiles and I will send to them. If any little bit of issues is these overlaps or something, we will find some other companies.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
As I have 18 years of experience, so this platform in this Power Platform, how many years I can mention, and that
You can
18 years.
mention up to 2 to 3 years, sir, sufficient.
Means somebody will tell like that you curtail half of this thing and only you mention the previous which company worked or 8 years and then you can mention these 2 years, something like that.
Yes,
These,
yes, sir.
this
2 to
will-
3 years is sufficient for your package and Power Platform, because Power Platform itself active from 2020, sir. We can't show more than that 5 years.
No, curtailing that previous 9 years, say 8 years.
Previous
something like
company,
that.
same company you can move internally, sir. There is a possibility, right? In the same company, we can change the domains. Example, you are working in one company from last 9 years. Yes, 5 years for 6 years in the whatever the domain you work, but around in 22 or 23, you move to Power Platform internally.
My
Client will
question
be
is-
the same, designation
No,
will be the same, only roles and responsibilities we will modify.
Sir, my question is, total 18 years I have. Since 8 years I am working in one company, so that shall I mention only that 8 years, and in that 8 years, 2 years this. Is that correct or wrong?
Sir, they got to know about your age and all, what you did before 9 years, they will ask you.
Personal business or system related anything we can tell, right?
When you have worked, why we need to showcase that one? You have 18 years work experience, right, sir?
Maybe some people will not go, 18 years means it is a huge.
It's not about 18 years of work experience, it's about age. They will thought like it's convincing those kind of people is become difficult. Example, compared to me, like I'm discussing with my childs or else like who are just passed out of the BTech, sometimes they will feel I'm old. Whatever they are explaining, they are not understanding. Mahesh is not understanding my concern. They thought like they're too fast than me, right? Similar way, any manager come for sure. Your manager less days than you. They thought like convincing Monish made difficult, and if he was not able to work properly, I can't take it action on him. Maybe he will feel bad. These kind of concerns will be there, sir. That's the only reason some recruiters won't hire. Other than that, there is no issue about age.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Only how technically we are becoming strong is important, not about age.
Sure.
Age factor hardly 5 to 10%, sir. 90% people no worry about age, just technically how strong you are. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, guys, for killing your time. And Indra, you can carry on.
Sure, Mahesh. Thanks. Cool, guys. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Indra.
Good morning.
So, guys, there are few people who are joining the class for the first time. If you have missed the first session, so I would request each one of you to go ahead and watch the recording. It is available on YouTube as well as on our portals. So that will clear your doubts like what is Power Platform, what you can expect from us, what we will be covering and all. Okay. So just one thing, like I want to tell you, Monish, like I can sense like you are a little bit nervous about like you are having a lot of experience, what will happen and all, right? So I can tell you one scenario. I am in interview panel and I basically already interviewed few guys with 20 years of experience. Okay, I can recall one guy with 24 years of experience. He was having experience into pro coding like C#, .NET, and then he was trying to move into Power Platform, and he was saying like he has only 4 years of experience in Power Platform. Okay. So you can't go ahead and say you have 4 years, 6 years or 8 years of experience in Power Platform because tech stack itself got matured in 2020. Okay. And
Yeah.
and you don't need to worry about all these things because if I am the interviewer, I can tell you like what I will see with the lens of interviewer. We will be seeing like whether you know the stuff or not. So that guy, when I ask very simple question, like if you can create a model driven app on top of Dataverse, then if you create a model, if you can create a model driven app on top of any other data source than Dataverse, so then the answer was no. Okay, so I know like all of you did not know this answer, but this is very basic question. You will be getting to know once you are through this course. You will be realizing how much basic it is. So if you are saying you have 4 years of experience, you have 3 years of experience, and you are not able to basically answer the basic questions, so then that is in my terms, that is a sin, right? So you should know the stuff first, and other than that, all these things will fall in place. Cool.
Now it is audible.
Fine. Cool, guys. Let's get started. If you have any other doubts, you guys can write it down somewhere. We can discuss it at the end of the session. Cool. Is my screen visible, guys? All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. We are working on Power Apps module. This is the second preview session on Power Apps. So today we will be discussing Power Apps. What are Power Apps? What are the different types of Power Apps? And I will be making you guys familiar with the UI of Canvas apps. We will be starting with Canvas apps. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, we will be starting with the project. So here everything will be project driven. You have seen enough of presentation yesterday. So this is what I will be presenting today. That is it. I will be now writing everything with the stylus. And tomorrow we will go ahead and start with the actual project. So today we will build the foundation and tomorrow we will implement. Okay, cool. So Power Apps, guys, the people who have attended the previous session, what is Power Apps? You guys know Power Apps? This is the first time you are hearing about it. Power Apps. Can someone define in one line, guys? What is Power Apps?
It's a low-code, no-code application.
It's Microsoft low-code platform for building custom business applications using visuals and drag and drop features.
Creating apps.
It is making use of the Power BI and Databricks, Azure, all those things in one app.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other version of the definition?
It's a suite of Microsoft products like Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, so that the business can use it effectively.
Okay, so Sushma, have you attended the previous
for
session?
the end-to-end business.
Sushma, have you attended the previous session by any chance?
Yes, Indra. I joined half the way. So.
Okay, cool. So guys, Power Apps is nothing. You can say this is a part of Power Platform, right? Isn't it? It will help us creating applications, or you can say business applications, right? Creating, it will help us in creation of business applications. And it's a part of Power Platform, right? If you remember the flowchart that we discussed yesterday, right? Like this, Power BI, Power Apps, right? You remember, guys?
Yes.
And it was further divided into two categories. So you don't need to basically by heart anything what is Power Apps and all. This is just for your knowledge. Like it, you can say like it is a part of our platform and it will help us creating business applications. And it is further divided into two categories, right? What are those two categories, my dear friends?
Model-driven apps and Canvas apps.
Yes, and model driven.
Canvas apps.
Model driven apps,
Canvas.
Canvas apps, right? So now what is the difference between model driven apps and Canvas apps? Let me try to write it in old school way. I will try to give you a few difference here. I have told you one difference yesterday, guys. Anyone remember?
Model driven apps are data driven apps, and Canvas apps is UI based app.
Very good. Very good. UI based, or you can say UI focused apps. So basically, guys, in Canvas app, you have complete control over the UI. So you can customize UI in the way you want. Okay. But in model driven app, you will not have lot of control over the UI. It will have some standard UI, but it is very optimized when you want to work with large data sets. Someone in the beginning of the class was saying like she was looking for she's a Dynamics developer. Who was that? Someone said, right? When Mahesh was demonstrating that interview tool.
Indra, it's me only. I just was learning CRM application, Microsoft Dynamics CRM application. Then now I switched
Okay.
to this.
So have you ever worked on that, Sunita, in practice only?
No, I haven't worked, Indra. I just was learning through some online courses.
Okay. So the good news for you is, Sunita, like you don't need to go ahead and learn anything apart from this this module, okay? Because D365 is nothing, guys. It's model driven apps only. Okay, model driven apps, and there you have some modules. You have customer service. Okay, you have sales module. You have finance module, and there are so many modules. Okay, I will tell you shortly what it is. But first thing, let me complete this thing. Okay, so now, guys, if you're creating any app, so where the data will be stored? Will it be stored in air? It will be getting stored in some storage solution, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So in Canvas app, you can connect to your Canvas app with 100+ data sources. Okay. But for model driven app, you can connect with only data.
Dataverse.
Right? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Then Canvas apps are non-responsive by default. They are responsive by nature. Now you will be like, sir, what is this? Why you are throwing random words to us? Responsive, right? So responsive, why responsive, guys? What you understand? Any guesses?
Interactive.
No. Basically, by responsive, as name says, response, right? So your app will automatically respond to the increase or decrease in screen size. So basically, if you're viewing the app in your mobile phone, the screen size will be less, right? So then your app will auto scale in terms of the screen size. Model driven apps can auto scale, but Canvas app are non-responsive. So they can't adapt different screen sizes until you are not implementing it. How to implement? I'm here to tell you. Okay. Clear, guys? These three points.
Yes,
The three differences. Okay, so now guys, like what is the difference between D365 and model driven apps? Like where Power Platform can help you, right? So model driven D365 is nothing, guys. It is model driven app plus Dataverse. Then you will be writing some JS code. Then you will be writing plugin. This will be your backend code. This will be your front end code. We are not covering this portion here, but other than that, we are covering everything. Okay. So if you want to go into Dynamics, you can learn Power Platform. Then after that, if you know how to code, you can learn it and you can go into Dynamics. Okay. So now what is the difference between Dynamics and normal model driven app? So let me try to take a very simple example that I take in every class, and it is very relatable. So all of you are living in a owned house or rented house, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So what is the difference between model driven app and Dynamics is? Let me show you here. Model driven app, I will write MDA. It is like building a house. Okay. And your D365 apps are like buying a house. Now tell me, guys, what is the difference between building a house and buying a house? Is there any difference?
Yes, buying house means someone already built. We have to buy that. We will buy that.
Building a house means like building it from the scratch.
Mm-hmm.
So buying
Okay.
a house means a house. I mean, it's already a built one. We can directly buy
Okay.
it.
So suppose this house that that we're building or buying is in India. Okay. Because in US and Canada, the raw material will be different, right? So what it will be built of? Bricks, concrete, right? Wood and other accessories, right? So if you are buying a house, guys, so will it contain bricks?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Or walls?
Walls,
Walls? Walls will be made of?
bricks,
Okay. Cool. Bricks, concrete, wood, and other accessories, right? So guys, technically, if you see, the constituents are same, right? Isn't it? But here you are building from scratch, and here you are buying a house. So guys, when you are building a house from scratch, so might be it will cost you less, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
And when you are buying already built house, so people will build it, then they will add their profit margin and all, and then they will sell it to you, right? More cost. But here you will save time, isn't it? So similarly, guys, model driven app and D365 are like this. So in model driven apps, you are building a app from scratch, but in D365 modules, you will be getting a already built model driven app, which you can customize, like you are buying a house and you will customize the interiors, right? You will customize the furnitures that you will be using, isn't it? So similarly, in D365, you will be getting a pre-built model driven app, which you can customize as per your needs. Clear? Guys,
Yes.
is it relatable?
Yes, Sundar.
Now, if someone will ask you what is D365, will you be able to answer?
Yes. Pre-built.
Yeah, pre-built. So there you will be having business processes. Like you had one question, right? When he was demonstrating. What do you mean by leads and opportunities? You remember? Where
Yes,
he
Sundar.
said, like, I don't know. So guys, these are nothing but these are two out of the box tables in the CRM module. Okay. Cool, guys. Can I move ahead? Is it clear? Power apps. Difference between Canvas and model-driven app. Difference between model-driven app and D365.
Yes, Indra.
Good. So now, guys, after this, now we will start with Canvas apps. Okay. So for Canvas apps, guys, I will walk you through the UI of Canvas app, how it looks like. So to navigate to the Canvas app, guys, you have to write here make dot power apps. Go to your browser, write make.powerapps.com and hit enter. So I will show you the project and from there I will walk you through, okay, the project that we build in the classes. So everything we will build in the class only. You don't have to worry about anything. Only thing that you have to worry is, so the people who are with me, they know the drill. So just reiterating once again, only thing that you have to worry is you go ahead and implement the stuff after the class. That's it. Okay. So this is the app, guys, IT support app that we implemented in the previous batches. So let me show you. Not batches, like in one batch. In every batch, we will create a project. So here you can see a lot of projects we created. So here you can see, this is the thing. This is the name of the app. It is automatically taking my photograph, then welcome message to me. Then if I want to create a new IT request, I'll click on new request. I can add the details, right? Once the details are added, I can submit my IT request. Then I can go back. Then I can view the request which are submitted by me. Okay. So if I want to edit the already added request, I can click on update and it will be updated. If I want to delete, I can click on delete and we have implemented a pop-up functionality. I'll click on confirm and it will be deleted. If I click on cancel, it will be canceled. If you want to assign this, click on this, click on this, click on assign, and both of this will be assigned to the bulk assignment to the Scott. Okay. So if you want to bulk delete, click on this, it will delete. And if you want to filter, you can go ahead and filter. This is the clear slicer buttons. Similarly, we have implemented Power BI integration also. If you click on this, you will be able to see the analytics. Okay. I don't have license in this account, so that's why I'm not able to see, but I will be telling you how to implement and I have license on another account. Clear? You will be getting this, guys. Like I have these credentials, right? Indrajit_Singh@KSR Consultant Services. So similarly, your license will also be tagged with this. So the people who have already have license, they can go ahead and log in and they can keep using it. Okay. Makes sense, guys, what we built?
So it is the part of make.powerapps.com, Indra, the IT support thing.
No, it is not the part of make.powerapps. This is the thing that we built in the previous batch. You will be building a similar kind of application from scratch. So when you will see, you will be looking like this. Okay. So if you want to create, so guys, this is how the Power Apps will look like. Okay. Power Apps portal will look like. Let me walk you through this thing once. Okay. And then I will show you how Canvas apps will look like. So from here itself, you will be able to create Canvas app. You will be able to create model driven apps. You will be able to work with Dataverse. Okay. And a lot of other things. So when you will hit make.powerapps.com, so it will take you to the home screen. So in home screen, you can go ahead and you can create a plan. You can go ahead and click on apps. You will be able to see all the apps which are available in your environment. Okay. Now, what is environment? Here you can see environment, right? You are able to see 3 environments. So guys, environment is nothing. Environment is the space where you can go ahead and you can develop the things. Okay. So you can see there is one PP environment. This is the environment that I will be using in the classes. So this is reserved for me. And there are 2 environment. The people from the morning batch will be practicing here. The people from the evening batch will be practicing in this environment. Okay. So once all of you will get the license, I will give you guys access to this environment. So then this will be available here. You can click on that and you can start building your apps. Clear? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, you have few documentation here. Like these are the official Microsoft documentation. If you want to learn something, you can go ahead. But ideally, you should not click on this and go, because for learning only you are here, right? So I will be telling you everything. So if you click on create, guys, so here you will be able to see the ways to create your app. You can ask Copilot to create, you can start with data, you can start with page design, you can start with blank canvas. Okay. Then if you click on learn, this is again a documentation page where you can go ahead and navigate to the official documentation of Microsoft. Then this is to create a project plan. AI will create a plan for you. Then if you click on apps, you will be able to see all the apps which are created by you or which are shared with you. Okay. Then AI Hub is nothing but this is AI Builder, guys. So here you will be able to see the AI capabilities in the Power Platform that I told you yesterday, right? AI Builder is also a part of it. You can see the prompts, you can see AI model, document automation, all these things we will be covering in the course. You don't need to worry about it. So once you click on table, you will be into Dataverse. So these are all your Dataverse tables, guys. Okay, this is the database. Then you can see flows. This is Power Automate flows. You don't need to worry about it. Then you have solution publisher and all. So there are a lot of things here that you will be getting to know in the upcoming classes. So now I will click on create and I'll show you how the blank canvas apps will look like. Tablet size. So when we will start building the project, how it will look like, and you have already seen the output, right? This is the output. This is the project that is already completed. And it took around 17 sessions, guys. Okay. 17 sessions. Here you go. This is how the canvas app will look like. Are you able to see something here? Everything is blank. Okay, it's a blank page. When I say it is UI focused, now you have complete control over the UI, isn't it, guys? You can do anything that you want. Right?
Yeah.
It's a blank canvas. Isn't it? So whatever you can see here, the pop-up functionality, or you say the select functionality, everything we have built from scratch, guys. You will be learning a lot in Canvas apps because everything you have to build. There is nothing which is coming out of the box. Clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
Cool. So can I walk you through all the options which are here so that you are very familiar with this when we will start working on project tomorrow? Can I go ahead?
Okay.
Cool. So guys, this is how your Canvas app console will looks like. Okay. So I will start from here. So back, you will go back to the Canvas app. It will be closed. Okay. This is undo, and this is copy and paste button. No need to explain how it works. Copy paste, you know, right? Control C, Control V for the controls. So now, guys, if you want to insert any control in the canvas, then you have this insert button. Okay. So if you click on insert button, you have all the controls that you can use. Text level, form, modern text, input text, vertical gallery, right? So there are lots of things there. So you will be seeing almost everything in the course. So suppose you want to add a text. So I will add text level. Here you go. Text level is added, right? I will say my first control or component, you can say anything is fine. Control or component. Right? So now, guys, if you want to increase the size of this, so here you can see all the functions here, like on select, live, right? Line height, italic, hoverfill, height, all these things, right? So here also you can see the similar kind of functionalities. So text either you can change from here or you can change from here. Okay. So if you want to increase the font size, go ahead and increase it 30. Want to bring it in the middle, go ahead and do it. Want to increase the font weight, go ahead and do it. Okay. So these are all the settings that you can perform from here. So if you click on advanced, so you can write the functionalities like on select what should happen, or when it is live what should happen, right? So all these things you will be doing from here. So this is the way, or this is the place where you can go ahead and customize your control from here or from here by selecting it. Clear, guys? What to do on select, what to do, that we will be seeing. But are you guys clear when I will say you tomorrow, guys, you have to add the control and you have to increase the width and this thing, you know where to go and how to navigate, right?
Yes.
Cool. So after this, guys, you have add data. So now obviously when you will be creating an app, you will be connecting with data source, right? You will be reading the data from there. You will be updating the data to the data source, isn't it? It will be stored somewhere, right? The data is stored somewhere.
Yes.
When you use any app, suppose Amazon or Flipkart, that whatever you are able to see in fancy things, that is coming from which some databases, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Sindra.
Right. So similarly, your app should also be connected with some data source, right? So here you can see these are some Dataverse table, but if you click on connectors, you can see lots of things, right? You can get data from Excel Online. You can get the data from Mail, Teams, Power BI, SharePoint, SQL Server. You will be getting lots of connectors. Okay. Clear? So the project that we will be creating, I will be using SharePoint as a data source. Okay. Then if you want to go ahead and add a new screen, here you can see there is only one screen. If you want to go ahead and add a new screen, click on new screen and split screen, slide bar, footer header, approval request, all these things are there. So I want to add blank screen. Here you go. The blank screen will get added. Now you have two screens. Similarly, if you want to change the theme of your app, you can go ahead and change it from here. If you click on three dots, you will be into background color. Like if you want to change background color to this, go ahead and change it. If you want to add background image, click on stock images and add any background image to your site, to your application. Okay. Then if you click on settings, guys, so you will be into Canvas app settings now. So you can go ahead and change the name of your app. You can go ahead, change the icon of your app. You can go ahead, change the description of the app. And there are lots of settings that you can do that we will be seeing in the course itself. So display settings, you can control from here. You can control the Copilot settings from here. You can control the new updates and features which are added in the Canvas apps from here. If you want to connect with Microsoft support, you can go ahead and connect from here. So this is the settings tab. Okay. Now here you can go like this is the properties window, right? So if this window is getting away, don't get panic. Just click on this. It will come back. Okay. So now guys, if this is the comment tab. If you want to add any comment for your screen, you can go ahead and do that. This is the app checker, right? Like the device that doctors have to check people, right? So similarly, if your app have any issues, so here you will be able to see all the issues. So this is to share the app. This is to preview the app. So preview the app means if you will click on this, so you will be able to see how the people will be able to see it. Okay. In one line, you can say this is the play mode of your app, right? This is how the end users will be able to see it. Clear?
Yeah.
So then you have publish and save. So save, do I need to explain what is save, guys? Save is to save the changes, right?
Yes.
So publish means like suppose there are 5 people who are using the app and you did some change in the app and you want that change to be visible to all 5 people. So if you are saving the app only, then that is not enough to make the changes visible to all the downstream users. So if you want the changes to be visible to all the users which are using the app, you have to publish that. Clear? What is publish?
Yes.
Cool. So now we are done with this entire var, what it is. Now let's move down vertically. So here you can see this is the tree view. Here you can see screen. In screen 1 there is one control level 1. So this is that. So here you will be able to see the reusable components that we will be seeing in the course. What are reusable component? How to create? So similar thing, insert button is here, insert button is here also. So all the controls you can add from here also. Okay. Either you can add from here or you can add by clicking on plus button. One and the same thing. Two ways to add. Okay. Similarly, this is for data. You can add data sources from here also. You can add data sources from here also. So if any data source which is added, you will be able to see the added data source here. This is for variables. Like if you have some local variable, global variable collections, you will be able to see all the variables across your app here. Okay. This is to search any control and replace it. If you click on 3 dots, so this is for media that you're using in the app. This is for Power Automate integration. Like if you want to call any Power Automate flow behind the scenes, you can go ahead and use it. Then if you click on advanced tool, there are two tools. One is to monitor the performance of your app. Another is to write the test cases for your Canvas app. We will be covering it in the course. Okay. Then if you click on this, same settings will come. Clear guys, Canvas app, UI, how it looks like, and what is there for which purpose? Yes, no.
Yes, Indra.
Yes, Indra.
Yes, very good. So guys, this is all about the walkthrough session on Canvas apps. So now let me tell you tomorrow what we will be doing, and then I will start the session from here. I will be giving you 3 to 4 options where we will decide like the problem statement, which we will be implementing the project on. Okay. So everything we will learn with that problem statement only. So your database for the project will be SharePoint, guys. That is pre-decided, but the problem statement we will decide tomorrow. On SharePoint, we will be building Canvas apps. Now, why I chosen only SharePoint? Why not Dataverse? Right? You will be having this doubt, right?
Yes.
Why only SharePoint? Isn't it? Because if you see some organizations, so this, E5 license, guys. Microsoft E5 license. So organizations will be E5 having E5 license. Okay. E5 license is for Office 365. The beauty of E5 license is like it will give you Power Apps license also, not the premium one, but the developer plan. Okay. So what you can do, you can build a Canvas app with the E5 license and you can use SharePoint as a data source because SharePoint is also a part of E5 license. So you can see like the organizations who are in the POC phase or they're trying to go ahead and build the Power Platform. They are creating a Canvas app on top of SharePoint. This is one reason. Second reason is model-driven app, guys. What will be the data source for model-driven app?
Dataverse.
It's a Dataverse.
It's a Dataverse, right? So anyway, we will be covering Dataverse with model-driven app, right? So will something change? If we will cover now also? It will be same only, right?
Yes.
So to add different flavor in the course for different data sources, then that's why also we are using SharePoint. When I say SharePoint, now I'm not talking about SharePoint folder that you have seen in Power BI. We will be using SharePoint list. Okay. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we will be doing. So that is it from my end for the day. So it was little short class, but tomorrow we will be having a full-fledged class and I will tell you the topics also that we will be covering so that you are not having any doubts what we will be covering and all. So today was this session, right? So now, Tushar, I'll come to you. Just let me complete, okay? So tomorrow I will tell you how to create SharePoint site and we will be loading the data. Then we will discuss about forms, PowerFX, submit form. Then form validation, patch function, gallery, data table, search, lookup and filter. Then edit form, update and delete record, collections, variables, bulk update, bulk delete functionalities, pop-up, clear filters, Power BI integration, delegation warning, best practices, integration of Power Automate, exception handling, test cases and localization of app, offline capabilities, modern control, Canvas app settings, responsive apps, sharing the app, and reusable component. This is a new thing that I added because this is getting used now. Everything is covered and we will be covering it in good 3 weeks. Okay. Now go ahead, Tushar. What was your doubt?
My doubt is like very simple. When you are gone through that bar, and when we used to choose the color, okay. So there is a separate code of that color. So we need to remember that code, or
No. Nothing like that. You don't have to. That is
because
RGBA code. So basically, Tushar, if you see any color on your screen in the computer software world, so it is a combination of RGBA composition. RGBA.
correct.
Right? So it is for that.
Okay.
You don't need to remember.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
And there is yeah, sorry. Then there is a version control thing here, right?
I will tell you what is that and how to do. This is just a walkthrough session, Tushar. Lots of things are coming your way.
Yeah.
Version control is the last thing after development that you will be doing. Yeah, Yasin, go ahead, please.
Yeah, yes, Indra. So, like you said, publish button, right? So, once we click that publish button, this app will be seen by everyone in the organization, right?
No,
Or
not like that. Suppose I am working on the app and this app is already shared with you and Tushar.
okay,
Okay. I change the color from red to green. So
okay,
you will be able to see red color only until and unless I'm not publishing the changes. Once I publish the changes, you and Tushar will be able to see the updated color to green.
okay.
Okay.
And yeah, thank you. And one more thing, like similarly, like we will be productionizing this app, right? Like in Power Apps also, we have the like environment, like from development to
Yeah, when you say this, I know why you are saying. You are saying like whether we will be covering the ALM or not, right? Application
yes,
lifecycle management, like whether we'll be deploying or not. We will. We are covering that.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, it is not only for Canvas apps. What to say, deployment is standard. Like solutions you can send. Again, now you will not be knowing what is solutions and all, right? That is nothing to worry, Yasin. It will be covered.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Indra.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
So Indra, while we're developing app, then we will use any language
Programming
here.
language. Sorry.
While we creating app, we'll use any language like JSON or Java.
Yeah, we will be using English language for communication, and for writing business logic, we will be using PowerFX.
Okay.
Okay. You don't need to worry. Like the way I explained you DAX, we will cover PowerFX. And mostly every function we will cover in the class only, which is required, because everything that you are able to see here in this app, this is what? When you are going to create new screen, how it is understanding which screen to go. PowerFX, right? Isn't it? When you are clicking on submit the data, how it is submitting? PowerFX. Seeing the notification, PowerFX. Seeing the error, PowerFX, right? Everything is PowerFX. So you will be working on it a lot.
So hope it won't be like DAX.
It is simple, Sunita. Much simpler than DAX.
Okay.
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 But practice is required. That does not mean when I say simple, you will watch the session and it will automatically fit into your brain. But you have to practice. There is no substitute of that.
Sure. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Anyone else? Anything that you want to discuss, guys?
Indra, I have one question, not regarding to Power Apps.
Okay.
It's regarding to Power BI. So you said through Kaggles we will get some data and we have to do project, right?
Uh-huh.
So for that, then how we can know the requirements then? Which as per requirement we have to build the report, right?
There is no requirement, Sunita. You are the user and you are the requirement giver also. Okay. Whatever you feel being the user is required, you can go ahead and implement that. It is open-ended project.
Okay.
Okay.
So there are different types of data, so we can take whatever,
You can take anything, build anything of your choice.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So guys, anyone having any doubt in the Power Apps or anything that we discussed in last two classes? Or any career related doubt that you have that you want to discuss, we can.
So, Indra, I have a question. So in the Canvas home page, I saw apps, and in Power BI also there is an app button. So that apps and this app, what is the major difference?
Okay. So Sunita, like Power BI app is nothing what it will be created on top of your workspace. You're not building an app. Basically, you are converting the reports into a website like experience called as apps. Okay. That is
Okay.
Power BI app. But here you are building a functional app from scratch. Okay, fully functional app from scratch. So you have not attended Power BI module yet, so that's why you have this doubt. But the people who have attended it, because for you it will be the last module, okay? Because you are enrolling at Power Apps, right?
Yeah.
So then you will be getting to know what is the actual difference. That is just a framework on top of your workspace. That is not fully functional. That is Power BI report only. Okay.
Okay.
But here it is fully functional business application that you're building.
Okay. And in the data sources, I saw all the Microsoft products. So will it connect to Oracle also in data
Yeah, you
sources?
can tell me which data source you want to see.
Like,
Oracle?
yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, it's there. Yeah. So
It
do we
support
need to
100 plus
add?
data sources. Sorry?
Oh, so do we need to add any drivers like in Power BI when we
No,
connect
no,
to?
no, no.
Oh,
You can explore this. Click on this Oracle database. Then these are the things which are required to connect.
oh,
Server,
okay.
username, password.
Yeah.
Then if your Oracle database is on premises, then you have to connect to gateway. Otherwise, not required.
So gateway means again the same Power BI enterprise gateway, like the
Gateway
same
concept is same.
gateway.
Gateway will
Oh,
be required when you will have to connect
yeah,
on premises to cloud.
yes.
Okay, concept remains same.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yes.
And the license will be, so if we want to create a Canvas app here also, like premium and pro license will work?
No, for Canvas app license is different, and that is premium license that we are providing you. Power BI
Oh,
license will not work here.
oh,
It costs $20 per user per month.
oh, wow. Okay. It's a bit costly than Power BI. Okay.
Yes. We are providing you premium license. You will be able to add all the features. You will be able to explore all the features.
Yeah. Thank you, Indra.
Thank you. And basically worst part is, Sunita, every product has its separate license. When
Oh
we
my
will
God.
be
Okay.
discussing Power Automate, again $20 per user per month. Copilot, separate license. Power Pages, separate license.
Okay. So, is it not like under the same umbrella Fabric? means everything, all the
Fabric is
lessons.
different. Fabric
Oh,
has nothing to take with Power Platform. Fabric is
oh,
for data engineers. Fabric
mhm,
consists of Snaps, Azure Snaps, right? It consists of Databricks, Azure Data Factory. That is for data
mhm,
engineers and data scientists and data analysts, all the data literally. This is low
oh,
code, no code platform.
mhm. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Thank you, Indra.
Yes. Yeah, Prem.
Yeah, hi Indra. Indra, just a question regarding I'm working as a Power BI developer, for example. Okay.
Sorry. You're not audible properly. Can you be a little louder? You're working where?
Can you hear me now clearly?
Little better. I'll try to understand. Be little louder. Yes.
Okay. For example, I'm working as a Power BI developer. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So this Power App, how it will be helpful for me for data analysis and we'll use
You
like
can do a pivot, right? From Power BI to Power Platform developer. Okay. You can basically you already have a domain knowledge on Power BI, right? You know how logics works. You already have implemented a lot of DAX, right? Lot of data modeling stuff you have done. So now you will be learning the other skills here, how to create app, how to automate the stuff and all. So in the next job, when you are switching, you can tell like I was working on Power Apps also. So then you are now expanding your skill set, right? So you're not only confined to Power BI reports now. You can create apps, you can create Copilot agents, you can go ahead and create websites, you can create model-driven app, right? You are expanding your skills. So once your skills are expand, your growth will also be at next level, right? Be it monetary or be it position wise.
Okay.
Okay. When you have to go for higher packages, then organization will look one guy with multiple skills, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay.
And even with only Power BI, like it will be little tough, right?
Yes, that's what I want to
Yeah.
create. So,
Yes.
Here.
Question.
Hello.
Yeah, Vitek, go
How
ahead.
does it help in the data analysis, data analytics?
Yeah, so what you can do, you can go to the first session, like how does it help in data analytics? But let me tell you in one line. So in Power Platform, you have solution for every problem. Okay. So if you're building a product, right? So if you're building a product, what are the key areas that you need to focus on, or what are the requirements, right? You will be needing an app, right? Where people will be interacting with.
Okay.
Right, right. And you might be needing a website,
Okay.
isn't it? So you might be needing an automation solution, which will do the automations for you, like you are from sales background, right? So if some lead has came to you and you are adding it into your CRM, so then automatically it is sending SMS to the people who are associated with that lead, right? So this is
Okay, fine.
automation, isn't it?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. And now once you have all the leads and all the opportunities, now you have thousands of customers, right? And you want to see the trends, right? How many customers got associated with you in previous month, like how much revenue you got out of them, right? All these details you will be needing.
Okay,
This
fine.
is how you will be streamlining the entire business process, right? So for apps, you have Power Apps in Power Platform. For all the data analytics stuff, you have Power BI, right? For automation, you have Power Automate. For websites, you have Power Pages. So for every problem that you can have in streamlining any business process, any business, you have solution for that in the Power Platform. So to answer your question in one line, like for data analytics, you have Power BI.
Yeah. Is there
Yeah.
any option? Is there any option in the Power App whether we can link Power BI or Tableau?
No, Tableau you can't, but Power BI you can. This is the Canvas app, right? So if I click on Analytics tab, so this is what? Like, are you guys, can you identify the logo?
Okay.
This is Power BI report that I have embedded here.
Okay.
Okay. Making sense? Is it clear? Yeah, Ida.
Yes, Indra. My question is the credentials that was previously shared with the Power BI course are the
Mhm.
same that we're going to use here on the Power Apps.
Yeah, same will work.
Okay. Okay.
If you already have credentials, you are with me since Power BI. Power BI was first module for you. Same credentials will work, guys. Everything is added to your credentials, every license. Okay? You don't need to worry.
Thanks. Also,
Thank you.
Indra, I just want to know if we are going to cover a little bit of APIs because I'm transition from my in my career. I'm from IT background and I'm transition to Power Platform. I just want to understand if we're going to cover a little bit of APIs just to connect one. Uh, uh, okay, I can see it now.
Okay?
We-
Everything will
Okay.
come, but at the right time. Okay?
Okay. No worries. No worries. No worries.
Yes.
I just want to understand if we're going to cover or not.
Yeah. We will definitely, we will cover everything which is required being a Power Platform developer. If 8 things are required, we will be covering 10 things. 2 things extra you will get here, but we will not leave anything which is important. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Nice one. Thank you.
Thanks.
Indra?
Yeah, Tushar.
Yeah. So my question is like, I'm this Power Apps developer, and I
Mhm.
have much experience in that as well. So if I want to go towards Microsoft Fabric and data engineering kind of thing, so can we learn in that direction after we have much higher experience in Power Apps?
Tushar, how much experience you were having? I forgot.
No, I'm just asking like if we have 6 years of
No, that
experience or eight
okay. You
years of
have six
experience.
years of experience, right?
Huh.
And what is you drawing currently?
Mm-hmm.
You can tell me in chat your current CTC.
My current CTC is 6.
You don't have to think anything all along all these
Okay.
lines. Okay.
Okay.
If you
Mm-hmm.
are having 6 years of experience and drawing 6 LPA, you don't
Mm-hmm.
need to think anything like if I'm already working here and this is the saturation point and now I should go ahead and do that. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because here you will be getting lots of opportunities. Okay. You will be getting lots
Mm-hmm.
of opportunities when it talks to giving interviews, getting quality organizations, right? Getting good
Mm-hmm.
hikes.
Mm-hmm.
So the only thing is you should be very proficient here. Okay. So if you are
Okay.
good into already Power Apps development, you know already how patch function work, how submit function work. So here
Mm-hmm.
basically it is not on this course is not only about telling you the technical things. Okay. We are
Correct.
covering lot of architecture things also. Like we will be designing the databases, right? We will be implementing it. We will be designing the features. So just try to improve your that version of skill. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And because why I'm telling you this, there were few students of mine like who got
Mm-hmm.
a good jump, like with 5 years of experience, 17 LPA, 18 LPA. If you keep the students aside, like I am manager, right, in my current organization. So there were 4 people who were reporting to me. I trained them and they got a jump from 4 LPA to 12 LPA with 2 years of experience.
Okay.
Okay, again, I'm not exaggerating the things or I
Yes,
don't
yes, yes.
want you to have unrealistic expectations, but you
Mm-hmm.
can easily get the hike into triple digits if you are good with the stuff. Okay,
Okay.
there are lots of openings in the market. People are basically HRs are running behind the quality resources, and you will get it for sure. If your CTC would have been 28, 30 LPA, so then I might have told you, okay, you can go ahead and explore that, but it is not required for now.
Okay. No, I'm just asking like it's a random question from my side.
Yeah, that is fine. Whatever we are doing at the end of the day, we are
Yes.
doing to earn money, right?
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for us answering.
Thank you.
Also, Indra, another question. Which certification just to have to pursue after finishing this course you advise us to?
PL 900.
Okay.
PL 900. That is for
Okay.
Power Platform fundamentals. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Anything else, guys?
What about the PL 200?
Yeah, these are specialized certification PL 200. Okay. Let me show you the certification page which I have here. Are you able to see my screen? Or I stopped sharing? It's still there,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
PL 200 is for functional consultant. Okay. So you can do this also, but ideally you should start with 900, and after 900 you can give any of this. PL 200, 300, 400, 500. PL 100 is not available now. And after that you can go for architect. But you should start from here. PL 900.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Indra, can I ask something
Yes.
regarding this license? What is the time validity for this licenses? How can we grab this?
For Power BI, the premium license we are providing for 2 months. Okay. And the pro license for Power BI is for 1 year. And for all the products, the license is 1 year. Premium license is 1 year. If you want to extend the license, unfortunately, we can't extend the license because, as I told you, right, like it cost us dollar amount. Okay. So, but if you want your access to the recordings to be extended, that can be extended on case to case basis. So that you have to discuss with Mahesh why you want to get it extended.
Okay. So I'm talking about these certifications. Sorry about that.
Okay, you're talking about certification. Like, what was the question then? Certification related to certification.
Yeah, PL 900 platform fundamentals. How can we get the certification and what is the
Yeah, certification. Okay, I
validity?
completely gone into different direction. Very good. PL 900 is nothing. You can go ahead and book your certification from here. If you're already a working professional, just check in your organization. It must be sponsored.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will cost you around 5,000 here in India.
Mm-hmm.
So here you go, 99 USD in US.
Okay.
Okay. So just check in your organization. It must be sponsored. If you're not working professional, might be you can check with our team. Might be sometimes we have coupons, 50% off and all.
Okay.
So if it is not there, then you can pay from your pocket and do that. Oh, it's decreased now, 3691.
Okay. What is the validity? I mean, how many
1 year,
years?
1 year, 1 year. After 1 year, you have to renew.
Renew?
Again,
Only
you
renew
don't have to
or
pay
extension?
anything after 1 year. A small assessment you have to give and it will be renewed.
Okay, good. What is the benefit for this certification if we grab this?
Benefit is like it will make your CV strong. A little added advantage. Like you have done certification. Some organization have some what to say constrained in the JD. Like they want the people who are certified.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else? Anything? So guys, we are 6 minutes over. So if you have any doubt, you guys can go ahead. And the people who don't have any doubt, they can go ahead and drop the session. Let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Indra. Thank you so much.